Hello everyone, this is Suji once again. It's been a long time since I uploaded videos, so today I will talk about how I study second language. So, let's begin. Filipino-Tagalog is my first language, second is English, and third is Korean. In the Philippines, we study English from kindergarten to college, but in everyday conversation, like talking to family or friends, we don't usually use English. We talk in Tagalog, at least in my case. So, my English is not that perfect. Please bear with me for that. And Korean, I studied basic Korean year 2011 to 2012, but I stopped. And then I decided to study again 2018 until now. I am currently studying TOPIK because I want to take an exam and see what my Korean level is. But today, I will talk about how I'm learning Korean. If you're starting from the very basic, I recommend you to study first the hangul. It's a Korean alphabet because that is the foundation if you want to study Korean well. Number 2, know and memorize the basic words, vocabulary, phrases if possible. For me, there are 3 steps to remember when learning language. 1 is to memorize, 2 repetition, and 3 is practice. It's hard for me to memorize words. I hate memorization, to be honest. So, to memorize easily, I read and listen to the words or phrases at least 10 to 30 times. Yes, 10 to 30 times. In the beginning, I listen and read for 100 times, I guess, in the beginning. But nowadays, at least 10 times. That is to stay in your long-term memory because repetition is the key. I know you heard it a lot, but that's true. And sometimes I do action of the words. For example, in Korean, 청소하다 is to clean. So I act like I'm cleaning while saying the words. Or I say it while I'm really cleaning. In that way, I can easily memorize the words. And then if possible, make your own sentences in that particular word. When you're starting, I recommend you to listen a lot and read a lot. Say the words over and over again until you make it perfect. The technique is we need to see, say, and hear the words many times to stay in our long-term memory. For example, hello in Korean is 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요 is the very first word that I memorized. Or we memorize greetings, right? We hear and say it over and over again, so it's impossible for us to forget about that words, right? So number 3, I do also shadowing, mimic, pause, and repeat. I did it a lot when I am starting learning Korean. Until now, but not that often. And I think it is really helpful. First, I listen 10 times to the audio while reading the script words or sentence in my mind. Next, I just read it 10 times. And then I read it out loud while listening 10 times, of course. And then I listen while speaking without looking the words or script. Lastly, I listen to the audio, pause, and say the words without looking the script. So after that, record yourself, listen to yourself if you pronounce it well, compare it to the audio you're listening to. You can make your own rules. This is really effective for me, so I recommend it. That's my own rules, at least 10 times or more. Let me tell you a little story. So year 2018, that's the year I studied Saitonga program. That is one of the requirements for applying Korean citizenship. So we need to study and pass the exam. That program have level 1 to 6, but since I have already basic Korean knowledge, I started in level 4. This is mostly about Korean grammar, which is you need to complete or attend the class for 100 hours, and then after 100 hours, you need to pass the exam to go up in level 5 and 6. If you didn't pass it, you need to go back to level 4 and study 100 hours again. So level 5 is 50 hours and 6 is 20 hours. This level 5 and 6 is all about Korean politics, history, culture, and society. So after you finish 5 and 6, you need to take an exam and pass it. You need to score at least 60 points to pass it. And not just written exam, you need to pass also the interview. That interview is all about the lesson that you took from level 5 and 6. To be honest, I'm not that smart, but my secret to pass that exam was I read the whole books 10 times. See the words that I don't know in the dictionary. That's why I am now Korean citizen. I hope this little story of mine inspire you even little. So number 4, when you have already basic words or vocabulary, I also recommend you to just read a lot. What interesting for you, like novel, magazine, news. Make it a habit to read. For me, I read the Korean version of novel fairy tales like Pinocchio, Peter Pan, Alice in Wonderland, because at least I already have an idea what's going on in that particular story. Reading is really effective for me because you can see the words over and over again. For that, you memorize the words without trying hard. You know what I mean? Especially Korean, there's a lot of complicated characters. So I read every day as much as possible. I set the timer for 30 minutes and I read out loud to practice my mouth to say the words right, to practice my pronunciation. Although, reading in silence is also needed once in a while. When I read, I don't look word per word in the dictionary whenever I encounter words that I don't know the meaning. But when I see the words that I don't know 5 times or more, that's the time I look for the meaning of it. Since I saw it many times and I know the meaning already, when I encounter that words again, I already know the meaning without trying hard to memorize it. You know what I mean? And then lastly, number 5, watch a lot of movies, Korean dramas, program or news. In that way, you hear how the words pronounce. Listen and repeat if possible while you're watching. So that's all for now. I hope this video helped you even just a little. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye!